Hello everyone, Vincent Chan from portner.net here. As you guys may know, Huawei has been actively involved in the IoT segment with an ecosystem of products surrounding their smartphones. That includes speakers, routers, and a number of other smart devices. Today, we are looking at Huawei's latest flagship laptop, the HUAWEI MateBook X Pro. Let's go! Let's begin with the unboxing. For some reason, Huawei has decided to maintain consistency in terms of packaging with both their laptop and mobile devices lineups. Inside the regular cardboard box that usually protects Huawei's laptops comes a beautiful white box that features a nice premium textured finish akin to the one that comes with devices like the Huawei P40 smartphones or MatePad Pro tablets. The box sports this cute little tab that allows you to easily open it, and in it lies the laptop. Before we take a closer look at the Huawei MateBook X Pro, let's take a look at the rest of the contents in the box. We received a lengthy USB-C power cable and a sweet 65W USB-C charger that can also charge your phone. Retail units of the Huawei MateBook X Pro in Malaysia will come in a MateDock dongle, which turns a USB-C port into a few more ports including HDMI and VGA ports, which unfortunately we didn't receive with our sample. With that out of the way, now it's time to check out the Huawei MateBook X Pro. We got the emerald green color option, which is the most unique out of the 3 colors you can get the laptop in. If you don't fancy this elegant shade of green, you can also get the Huawei MateBook X Pro in space grey and mystic silver. The entire laptop is made out of premium machined aluminium with smooth sandblasted finish for that excellent premium feel. While the exterior of the Huawei MateBook X Pro does seem similar to many other premium laptops in the market, the display is anything but. It measures 13.9 inches, but what's really special is its 3:2 aspect ratio, which gives you more usable screen area than standard 14-inch 16:9 displays. The 3000x2000 resolution also ensures that the screen is perfect for working with high-res content or just to give you a more comfortable reading experience. It offers 100% sRGB coverage and great viewing angles too, so you can work with color-sensitive tasks on the Huawei MateBook X Pro without worry. For more intuitive working experience, the Huawei MateBook X Pro also offers touchscreen capabilities. If you want a more standard user experience, the keyboard here in the Huawei MateBook X Pro features well-spaced keys, which I do find to offer the perfect level of tactility, although it could do with more travel distance. With that said, we are talking about a laptop that measures a mere 14.6mm here, so this is one of the compromises that I think I can live with. There's also backlighting so you can work in the dark quite comfortably. Flanking the keyboard are a pair of speakers which deliver the sound directly to your ears, and in case you missed it, the webcam here is ingeniously crammed into the keyboard. It not only affords you more privacy so you can hide it away when you're not using it, it also allowed Huawei to make smaller bezels around the display as they no longer have to make room for the webcam above the display. Another bit of ingenuity is seen with the Fingerprint Scanner, which is integrated as part of the power button. You only need one tap to power up your laptop and authenticate your fingerprint in one go to enter Windows with the Huawei MateBook X Pro. There are 2 USB-C ports here on the left along with the headphone jack, and you can also spot the slits which house the speakers that handle the lower frequencies. One of the USB-C ports here even support Thunderbolt 3 functionality, so you can connect external GPUs if you see the need for that down the road. Over on the right, you get a lone USB 3 port. The 2 USB-C ports we mentioned earlier each support data transfers, charging and DisplayPort output too, so they are quite versatile, especially when used with the MateDock accessory. As a whole, the Huawei MateBook X Pro is one premium laptop, with a premium price tag to go along with it too. It costs RM7,999, but with a nice set of free gifts for early birds, it probably can still be considered quite a value buy. It offers all the specifications you need, including a 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, 16GB of RAM and an MX250 GPU, all packed into a super thin and light package weighing just 1.33kg and measuring 14.6mm thin. That concludes our unboxing and first look at the Huawei MateBook X Pro, but stay tuned for our full in-depth review as we'll be taking the Huawei MateBook X Pro for a spin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and like our Facebook page. We thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!